Hello, good morning everyone. So I hope everyone is well. So I am back with another videos. So directly it is on how to learn about questionnaire development and its validation. So basically crafting a comprehensive questionnaire is a very important role in implementation of any of the research paper, and it's a great skill on this. So let's learn about this. So it's an e-workshop on questionnaire development and its validation. It's going to be occurred on 24th to 25th February, and time is as per like basically we can attend it being on the work as well from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And basically the key topic is going to be covered the like basically introduction and key concept, type of questionnaire, development of questionnaire, validation techniques, validation and statistical validation. Apart from this, construct and content validity, as well as live demonstration as well. So, so this is like basically transforming our research with expert questionnaire development and validation techniques. So this is directly an e-workshop on questionnaire development and validation. Because like basically it's a very crucial pillar in the research about the development of questionnaire. Once it's gone, so after that every next step is going to be easier and easier. After that we have to implement and collect the data. So basically a questionnaire development is stand for the forefront of a robust research methodologies, encompassing the art and science of crafting survey instruments. This initial phase involves a very crucial formulation of questions, ensuring clarity, objectivity, and alignment with research objectives. So it's play like is very important role in this. The significance of well constructed questionnaire cannot be overstated. It's a meticulously developed survey instrument serve as the gateway to accurate and relevant data collection. It acts as a subsequent research individual. While validation technique, it's a like basically it's a checkpoint in the research process. Techniques like as phase validation and statistical validation are employed to assess the questionnaire, identifying and mitigating potential biases, as well as reliability of collected data. While we can discuss more about this what is phase validation and statistical validation. Basically phase validation in questionnaire serve as an initial appraisal, gauging the clarity of relevance of question. So basically which question we have to use in our questionnaire and what will be its importance in this. So this helps us this comes under the phase validation. Sorry. Statistical validation, on the other hand, stand like it employs quantitative method like factor analyzing the internal consistency and reliability of questionnaire. So, likewise, it's meticulous crafting and scrutiny. This process involves in reliable data contributing to the generation. Likewise, if you are going to implement any of the after getting approval from your research and development committee, if you want to implement of to assess like is a very general topic if you can take to assess knowledge, attitude and practice. Like basically a lot of research paper on this in the previous years it has been done to assess the knowledge, attitude and practice of anyone, anything which you want to take. So the first thing you will require that questionnaire, and after that your implementation criteria. So the first step is come, first pillar it will come for development of questionnaire. So we should know about this. So uh, these are the 7 points which is going to be covered in this one day this e-workshop. So basically it's very important that to know about this all this, then the type of questionnaire, development of questionnaire, validation techniques, face validation, statistical validation, construct to content validity. Like it was based on our skill and knowledge, we develop that questionnaire, but we are never going to check that validity and that all. So that all the themes will be covered in this e-workshop. So the first comes over here, introduction and key concept. So introduction, like basically an overview will be given the significance of well constructed questionnaire. So what is the significance of that? What is expected for this? So and terminologies to foundation on this. So it's play a crucial for any of the research anywhere. So in this segment, like basically we will delve into the fundamental principles associated in the development of questionnaire development as well as validation as well. So understanding that significance of well-constructed questionnaire, it's for effective research outcome, ensuring clarity in subsequent stage of the workshop. So basically in this sampling biases and variables, so that all will come covered in this part. So type of questionnaire is the role of AI transformed educational sector and benefit of integrating AI into teaching. So in the previous video when we are covering when we have covered about that chat GPT and one day webinar, so that webinar has been occurred today, and we come to know about that a lot of the things for that chat GPT. So whenever you will going to give a prompt in ChatGPT to write a questionnaire on this, so it will obviously it will write, but you have to take care of this key which question you are going to take in your questionnaire. So on this background we should know about this that all the parts of this questionnaire to develop it in the good quality. So exploration of various questionnaire type and session will it provide participant with valuable insight into tailoring survey instrument to match a specific research object. Whenever you are going to write a protocol for your research paper, that how we are going to implement, so based on that objective, so we have to develop our questionnaire. So we have to find out that strength of this questionnaire based on the objective as well as limitation of each empower researchers to make informed decision, uh, which helps in making the suitable questionnaire for the study. So in this like basically it based on our research objective, we have to delve into this key. We are going to take open-ended questionnaire or closed-ended questionnaire. Basically closed-ended questionnaire is suitable for quantitative research, which allows easiness for the data analysis. So now the development of questionnaire. Development of questionnaire, in this we will get that step to step guidance on crafting effective and relevant survey question. So crafting a questionnaire, it demands a precision and skill. So this segment will guide us step by step for the process of questionnaire development, offering practical strength to formulate a clear and effective survey question. A well structured questionnaire is pivotal in obtaining accurate and meaningful data in analysis. So, strategies for ensuring clarity and precision in questionnaire decision design will be discussed. So, validation technique, in-depth exploration of validation methodologies in to ensure the reliability of the questionnaire. So, the credibility of research finding on the rigorous validation of the questionnaire will be discussed in this. So this session dissect various validation techniques, providing participant with the tool. Uh, it's provide a tool to identify, as well as it also provide a hand to us for addressing the potential biases. So our robust validation process ensures the reliability and validation of our survey instrument. It enhances the overall quality of research outcome as well. So phase validation and statistical validation. So initial assessment of phase validation of a statistical validation technique are integral components for validation process. In this, different methodology contributes overall reliability of questionnaire. Also, it provides the role in the research context. So, sample questionnaire and phase validation is assessed by clarity and relevance of questionnaire. So, the next step goes for construct and let me take pointer. Construct and content validity. Understanding in this part, understanding the concept of construct and content validity and their role, and ensuring the questionnaire measure what it intend to measures, as well as practical example and case studies will be taken over here. So construct and content are critical phases. The questionnaire accurately measures what it intend to measure. So this segment elucidate this concept, offering practical example and case studies to the applicants. Live demonstration means that a live demonstration on entire questionnaire developed and validated process, so that all these steps that will be demonstrated, and live demonstration will give us a great skills to manage that all, and as well as that will be that give us more crisp and precise knowledge rather than learning and going through the theory. So basically, who can attend this? This is open for PGs, PhDs, researchers, faculty from diverse field. Like basically, in any other field, if you will go for research is ongoing, and we have to develop that questionnaire in different fields. So any of the person can attend this. So the date will be 24th and 25th February, and time is as per our unofficial time, like 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And it's they are charging for some of the registration fees, as well as I will give this link to register in the description as well. And the last date for registration is till 23rd. Till the time, take care, bye.